Breaking news from the Middle East: the Israeli Air Force has struck a building in the Iranian city of Qom, connected to Iran's Assembly of Experts, the powerful council responsible for choosing the country's next supreme leader after the recent death of Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. Israeli defense sources say the strike was carried out while the council was reportedly gathered. Iranian state media described the building as flattened, but it's still unclear how many clerics were inside or whether there were casualties. This attack marks a significant escalation in the ongoing conflict involving Iran, Israel, and the US, and it could have major implications for the region's future. More updates are expected as officials release further details.